Yeah, so right now at the plant shop near where I'm staying in India, and we're checking out some of the amazing plants that they have. They have lots of varieties here.
Hi everyone, so we were walking around the street and we saw this plant shop here, and as usual we spotted in India some places they have such beautiful plants. I always have a love for plants and nice flowers. I cannot believe here we're seeing a variety of flowers, and there's so many different kind, like these roses. They do have some that's in Guyana, like those there, those we call crotons in Guyana, those there. Yeah, and here you can see how little they are. What I was impressed about is how tiny they are, and they're bearing flowers. This is so unbelievable little. You can think like they're just like little grass and trees, and they're just bearing so many different kind. Look at this one here, all colors. The plant is so small itself, but it's bearing such beautiful roses. Oh wow. So we're going closer. I'm impressed with the marigold here. It's so different from that of Guyana. Look here. Look at these tiny ones. Oh wow. A phrase they always, when I tell them that I had a passion for plants when I finished school, I did gardening like about 4 years. When I finished high school, I didn't had mathematics, and my mom, like growing up, we always plant large scale of garden. And my mom said, you know what, you can plant, you can, you know, take a bed and plant some plants. I started out with sweet pepper, callaloo in large scales. I used to plant at least for 4 years, then I rewrote maths. And I got in grade 2, and that's when I started working at ALE and Sons for 1 year, and then the other year I started teaching. Yeah, so in my previous time, and during that time I finished school, I remember I had, probably in my street, I had the most crotons. Auntie Camo was my neighbor, and she had a variety of crotons, and for me every single day, like I would just care for my plants, jump and kiss all different all the different kinds of croton. And I always love that, like when I go anywhere and I see plants, wow, like that just like give you that inner feeling of calmness and peace, like, you know. And here in India, I'm like, wow, look at this plant shop here. And I realized when we're driving through, there are many plant shops and nursery here, and persons are like, you know, they're buying plants, and it's like, I guess summer's coming up, so persons are like gonna buy plants here, and they're so blooming beautifully here. Look at these here, there's so many different kinds. At first, like one time I thought like one looks like a callaloo that we were cooking, and when I actually saw it was flowering, I was like, oh my goodness. Look at those in the corner there, they're so small. But yet again, look at these here, so small to the root. Look at these, and they're blooming. What caught my eyes are like these. Imagine it's opening, the buds are opening now. Oh wow, and there are all so many different kinds. And I don't know how they're selling it. We're gonna find out the price range. And look at these at the back here. These are actually bigger, but oh wow, all different colors. Lovely roses. I noticed in the gardens here, when we went to India Gate and some parks and so on, they just like flowers. All the malls, they have beautiful flowers. Like India is known for flowers and marigold. They always make their decorations out of fresh roses, especially the marigold, and it's beautifully scented too, you know. It's a whole huge place. Look at this, it looks like celery leaf. Look at this. These are all succulents, cactus, not flowering. Oh wow, this is like a kind of jump and kiss in Guyana. I remember we have a kind like this. These are all water plants. This year recently I saw a lot of persons. This is a Christmas plant. A lot of persons are buying.
Christmas.
Oh, these are what Guyana has, like the Edo we call that. Oh, they do have Guyana plants here.
Different kinds of variety. Lots of variety.
These are like the non-flowering water plants and so on there. Yeah, so they have a variety. All these we call it the bamboo plants. Yeah, in my class, these here. In Guyana, I used to have all these. Planting flower itself, it is like so soothing. It relieves stress, and you know, you care for it. You want to water it, you want to give it its nutrients, everything, sunlight, and all of that.
Guys, so here we have some roses, and for only 120 rupees for one.
Yes, that's orange.
This
The boss side. This one is the same.
same.
Boss side.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's
I like
nice.
boss yet.
Or any boss you like it.
Yeah, oh my god. This one? You like this yellow one?
Yeah.
I like the yellow one. I like the yellow one.
This is also a nice one here, yellow.
And how this one come out? This one come out.
And the boss side.
Hey guys, so they also have a lot of pots here that you can put the plants inside to grow. Different kinds, different sizes, huge, small ones. Many varieties here, different patterns as well, and designs. It's a busy afternoon road here right now. There's a barber shop over there, right over there. Street barber shop. Hey guys, you can see this guy is planting some here right now. Some flowers here. He's the name of the pot. Setting them up and nice in the pot. See, there you go, already did 3 here. Guys, so we're heading out now, and this was a little mini stop here at the plant shop. They have lots of varieties here, and it was a great trip to come to the plant shop here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do remember to subscribe, like, and share for more videos.